This is this is home improvement tips. We're making a hula hoop with a water line. You can do this with the crimp style or the Worsbo PEX uproar. Pause. Okay, this is an up-nor expander tool. All right, this is how it works. So it expands the pipe. Here we go. Now we take the nipple, we stick it in here. Well, it needs to be expanded a little bit more. All right, now this will shrink and tighten up. This is PEX for water, but we just made a hula hoop. Your children might like to. There you go, a hula hoop made out of water pipe. You can use the crimp style or the up-nor Worsbo PEX.